Welcome to the channel. 10 Ancient Natural Remedies That Actually Work. When it comes to traditional remedies, old doesn't necessarily mean obsolete. These 10 natural remedies may be ancient, but they actually work, proved and tested for many years. In the modern digital age, information that has stood the test of time is increasingly immersed by whatever is the latest trend. The health trends are no exception to that, as fitness gurus offer you unlimited ways to get fitter and be better than you were yesterday. But will any of their advice stick and become multi-generational wisdom? Discover 10 natural remedies that were passed down through the ages because they actually work, hence are grandma approved. First, hot tea for cold and flu. Tea is an ancient healing potion in the modern world. One of the hundreds of reasons to drink tea is that it can help you get over a cold or flu faster. Green tea is known for its antiviral components and was proven in trials to be inversely associated with influenza infection. These benefits are also found in the herbal tea Echinacea Plus, which was found in a clinical trial to lessen the cold and flu symptoms compared to placebo. And when you drink, try adding some honey to your cup. It is a great way to enhance your tea's taste and healing properties, especially during cold and flu season. Honey not only increases flavor, but it can also boost your protection from influenza. While you're at it, add a squeeze of lemon juice for extra vitamin C and anti-inflammatory effects. Second, turmeric for joint pain. One of the most curative substances in the world is a flowering plant known as Curcuma longa. The plant's name may be unpopular, but its use is unmistakable. A bright orange culinary spice that is a key ingredient in many popular Asian dishes. Turmeric is an exotic spice produced by grinding the Curcuma longa's plant's root into a fine powder. It has been studied in thousands of scientific trials, not for enticing flavor, but for the herb's almost unlimited healing properties. Scientists and herbalists have been studying the therapeutic properties of this magical herb. Turmeric and its isolated active ingredient curcumin have been shown to reduce joint pain and inflammation in ways that outperform many modern drugs. No wonder that it is widely used by athletes and active adults. In fact, a 2012 study showed that curcumin surpassed diclofenac, a widely used arthritis treatment, and ibuprofen on arthritis pain and quality of life indicators with no negative side effects. Consistent supplementation is key to effectiveness in almost all herbs, and that is doable with turmeric. It can be added to your diet in delicious curries and exotic dishes, or take it in supplement form. Golden meal tea, also called the turmeric latte, is another delicious way to benefit from the anti-inflammatory properties of this priceless plant. Third, neti pot for allergies. A neti pot is a traditional remedy used to clear the sinus passages of mucus, dust, and irritants, similar to the way that we bathe our bodies. Popular in the Far East, the tradition of this neti pot has not been widely adopted in Western culture. However, natural health enthusiasts have kept this old school active in their health aids, especially in treating seasonal allergies, and most drugstores and pharmacies have them in stock. A warm saline solution is prepared in the neti pot using distilled water. The spout is placed against each nostril, and with your head slightly tilted, the water is poured into each nostril while breathing through your mouth. The water flows out the opposite nostril, carrying debris and pollen that lodge in your sinus cavities and cause irritation. The warm water soothes and relaxes the delicate sinus tissues, and breathing can return to normal. Like bathing, neti pots must be used regularly to adjust to the routine and keep pollens at bay during allergy season. In this remedy, make sure to use distilled water only and warm it to 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Use saline packets or make your own using 16 ounces of distilled water to 1 teaspoon mineral salt. Fourth, hydrotherapy for muscle strain. For thousands of years, spa bathing has been used to soothe the body and spirit. In ancient Rome, intricate plumbing systems were used to pipe and heat the healing mineral waters of places like Bath, England, so they could physically rejuvenate from the stressors of life. Whether it's a random body pain from strain or overwork, or a chronic condition such as back pain or fibromyalgia, soaking, steaming, and showering can be the remedy to get you up and running again. The best part about it is that you don't need to travel to a health spa to enjoy the benefits of hydrotherapy. With 3 simple things, hot water, cold water, and magnesium chloride, also known as Epsom salts, you can shift your bathroom into a healing wellspring. After your hot bath, Finish it with a cold shower to boost the therapeutic effect. Thermal mineral water contains important minerals including calcium, magnesium, sodium, and potassium, and a 20-minute soak soothes inflammatory pathways that are linked to pain response. A 2019 study reveals that bathing daily in minerals provides clear therapeutic benefit for several musculoskeletal diseases. Fifth, black seed for stomach ache. A classic remedy that is said to cure everything but death, black seed is taken as a dietary supplement by natural health advocates worldwide. One of the conditions that black seed has proven beneficial for is gastritis, or inflammation of the stomach lining, a problem that occasionally affects everyone. A bout of gastritis or upset stomach is ignited by excessive consumption of alcohol or rich food, use of oral medications, or simply experiencing a stress-filled day wherein proper nutrition is neglected. Symptoms include stomach pain, cramps, nausea, and sometimes vomiting. To fight gastritis and calm inflamed stomach tissues, research has shown that a spoonful of ground black seed and honey paste can significantly reduce symptoms and even eradicate the presence of bacteria. Making black seed a regular addition to your diet has advantages. To name one is its lipid-lowering effect on hypercholesterolemia as shown in multiple studies. Sixth, intimacy for depression. The need for trusted social bonds is equally necessary for a quality and healthy life. In a study of young adults for over 40 years that measured their happiness during college and again 35 years later, the happiest participants were the ones who said they valued and enjoyed their close relationships. Intimacy is the remedy when isolation creates disease of the soul. If you have a partner, take time to strengthen and sustain closeness by cuddling, eye-gazing, and sharing and listening with empathy. If you're single, consider the many health benefits of dancing with a partner. Age is not a barrier to entry, nor to receiving the positive effects. A 2009 study of patients in a dementia care unit showed 67% of patients who danced with staff members experienced a significant reduction in agitation, uplifted mood, increased social bonding, and improvement in overall quality of life. Plus, it's a great way to stay fit. Seventh, apple cider vinegar for odor. Another old remedy that works effectively was reportedly used by Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, as far back as 400 BC. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has health benefits that have been known for many generations for its powerful antifungal and antimicrobial properties. ACV has a high acid profile, which makes it an amazing remedy for halitosis. For an instant bad breath remedy, add 1/2 tablespoon of ACV to a cup of purified water and gargle the mixture in your mouth for 10 seconds at a time until the cup is empty. Swish in the back of your cheeks and into your upper and lower gum line to extinguish any odor-causing bacteria. ACV can also help combat unpleasant body odors by adjusting your skin's pH level, which eliminates odor-causing bacteria. For armpit odor, wipe your underarm area each morning with undiluted apple cider vinegar on a cloth or cotton ball before applying a natural deodorant. Also, avoid antiperspirants containing aluminum and other cancer-causing chemicals. For foot odor, fill a pan with warm water and add 1/3 cup of ACV. Then let your feet soak in this mixture for 15 minutes once per week. Number 8. Arnica for bruising. Arnica montana, also called the mountain daisy, is a perennial flower in the same family as sunflowers, dandelions, and marigolds. Arnica is a natural ibuprofen alternative that can be used to overcome minor pain and bruising associated with superficial injuries. Due to the highly addictive nature of opioids and arnica's usefulness for both pain and bruising, arnica has become a popular treatment after cosmetic surgeries such as facelifts. A study comparing the effects of topically applied compounds on bruise healing found that 20% arnica reduced bruising, more than 0.003% white petrolatum, 1% vitamin K, and 3% retinol creams. Arnica is generally applied as an ointment or gel and can be purchased in homeopathic formulas and as a flower remedy. Number 9. Eucalyptus for stuffy nose. Eucalyptus is famous for its stimulating aroma and is esteemed for its powers to relieve disturbed sinuses and make breathing more relaxed when you have a stuffed-up nose. Eucalyptus has anti-inflammatory properties that may provide this airway clearing effect. Enjoy the therapeutic properties of eucalyptus by adding a few drops of essential oil to a humidifier, especially if you place it by your bed at night. If your stuffy nose is severe, try adding fresh eucalyptus leaves or 10 to 12 drops of essential oil to a bowl of steaming water, then placing a towel over your head while you breathe in deeply. Lastly, number 10, healthy habits for under eye circles. Dark circles under your eyes are the unwanted effect of many causes, such as genetics, dietary deficiencies, stress, sleep deprivation, and smoking, among other factors. No single remedy will work for everyone. However, you can take a multi-pronged method to diminish dark circles and reclaim a fresh face appearance. Make sure you are well hydrated by consuming around 2 liters of purified water daily. Next, eliminate nutrient deficiencies by eating a diverse diet of whole organic foods. Make sure to have sufficient sleep, a full 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, preferably in a cool room with fresh, circulating air to reduce dark circles. If you're currently using cigarettes, consider a smoking cessation program. Finally, sunlight deficiency may be as deadly as smoking, so be sure to get at least 15 minutes of unfiltered sunlight daily to boost important vitamin D levels. While some stress is inevitable, choose to prioritize self-care. You will remain stronger, healthier, and more capable of managing life's stressors in a balanced way. Thank you for watching the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.